At A Veteran Landscape and Outdoor Living, we don't just design landscapes. We create environments that honor your vision, your space, and your lifestyle. This isn't just a backyard. This is a carefully crafted retreat. Every path, plant, rock, and shaded area is intentionally placed to provide beauty, function, and lasting value. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in the details, from the flow of the walkways to the serenity of the outdoor lounge space. We understand that your yard is more than just dirt and grass. It's an extension of your home and a reflection of your dreams. When you work with us, you're not just hiring a landscaping crew. You're partnering with a team of professionals who treat your project with the same care and precision as if it were our own. This is what passion looks like. This is what dedication builds. This is A Veteran Landscape and Outdoor Living. Let's build your vision together.